I kind of want to see if I'm allergic.
I kind of want to see if I'm allergic. That's not a good idea.
Whoa!
Back up.
You don't want them down there.
There's only one climbing up my leg. Don't want it up there.
No, not a good thing.
Not a good thing.
There's one in my hair.
They won't get it. There's a buzzing in your head?
Yeah.
See what happens?
That's gone.
It'll go back. The queen's still over there, so they'll keep going back. Let's let them settle down a little bit. He will inside the box. I got the picture of him.
Oh, yeah, that's a cool picture.
I'm videotaping it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because it was easier to see that I caught you banging it into the...
Yeah.
Oh my God, he's standing in the... Hold on, buddy. So there's a queen in there?
Queen's still in there. Queen's in the box.
She's in the box?
Queen's in the box. They'll all go down into the box.
How did you get the queen in the box? Or you brought one?
Chuck her.
Steve, I said
So, well, you don't want to do that unless you have a box and you know what you're doing. You could go do that till this fall on the floor, on the ground. That's it.
So,
and then they'll go nuts.
is there something that makes them do that? Is
What?
it like
What causes
Like
the
the,
swarm?
what it is if the those are from somebody's beehive, or they were because this is too new of an area. So somebody in the country around here has bees, and what happens is the hive gets too crowded, and the queen says, "There's no room anymore. I need to move out." So she lays a queen cell or an egg that they're going to turn into a queen, and then she ups and takes off and takes half of the hive with her. And they fly until they hit a place, and they stay there for a little bit, and they would have stayed here for a little while. And then they would have sent out scouting parties from here, looking for a really nice place for that would be a hive, and that would be one of your soft beds or something like that. So if you would have left them here, in 2 days they disappear, and you think, oh, they flew away. And then in a year you would go, my gosh, there's a lot of bees swarming around my soffit, and there would be a beehive in your roof or somewhere wherever they find a crack, or under your deck.